This 2022 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 293 QBCK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Greencastle, Pennsylvania, 17225 and is offered for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center. This new Coachmen is 34 feet 2 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 11, refrigerator, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, microwave, oven, external shower, awning, water heater, LP detector, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 293 QBCK is 6,883 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center, visit RVUSA.com.